Every year, over 150 billion disposable gloves are used around the world. Each year, numbers are increasing. Gloves are intended to offer protection to the wearer and, in the care industry, the recipient of care. Ironically, the very object designed to give protection now poses a real threat to occupational safety. Latex, derived from natural sources, has always been the preferred material, offering excellent tactile performance. However, during the 1980s, increased awareness of AIDS led to an increased use of gloves to protect against infection. Natural rubber latex is also used in more than 40,000 different household, industrial, and medical products. Repeated exposure to latex led to a significant increase in what were believed to be specifically latex-related allergies. Two major types of allergy were identified, type 1 and type 4. Type 1 is an immediate and potentially life-threatening reaction. Symptoms vary from hives and hay fever to potentially fatal anaphylaxis. Type 4 is an allergy resulting in an itchy, scaly rash, often localized to areas of exposure, but may also spread to other areas. As the number of allergy cases grew, governments took action and introduced guidelines and legislation. This resulted in cleaner latex gloves and synthetic alternatives. Following the increased awareness, type 1 allergy cases seemed to decline. But synthetic gloves such as nitrile gloves came with their own inherent problems. Initially, they were more expensive to manufacture. They don't have the same grip and dexterity as natural rubber latex, and are increasingly manufactured using more and more chemicals. And significantly, unlike latex, which is a biodegradable product, nitrile is not biocompatible. The long-term environmental impact of billions of pairs of synthetic gloves going to landfill every year could be enormous. Today, three factors have driven increased use of thinner nitrile gloves. Mexican flu was expected to cause a massive increase in the use of gloves, creating an overcapacity. And technology has advanced, allowing manufacturers to produce thinner, cheaper gloves. This, combined with the global economic crisis, has driven demand for cheaper and cheaper consumables. However, thinner gloves require the use of an increased quantity and variety of chemicals. The increase of chemicals is creating an upsurge of new generation allergies to the supposedly allergy-free nitrile gloves. Repeated exposure to these increases the likelihood of developing allergies. It seems nitrile, vinyl and neoprene were not the miracle answers the world was promised. The allergy problem was merely abated, and as reported cases increase worldwide, the world is on the brink of a new glove crisis. The Dutch company Budev has developed MPXX, offering maximum protection to safeguard everyone from potential future allergy problems. Their unique technology eliminates the residues of the chemicals used in glove manufacture that cause type 4 allergies in latex and nitrile gloves to undetectable levels. More amazingly, the washing process removes traces of the major latex allergens to an unquantifiable level. Cleantech's MPXX gloves are the highest quality available in the industry and exceed the international requirements of ASTM International, the European standard EN 455 Part 1 through 4, and other equivalent international standards. The following tests have also been executed by international accredited test institutions.
Hi, I'm Dr. Henry Ayutz, and I have been in the business of dentistry for more than 20 years now. At the beginning of my dental training, I started to use latex gloves, and increasingly I started developing some skin allergy, some rash on the back of my hands. At the beginning it was still okay for most of the procedures, but increasingly I had to get rid of latex and switch to nitrile gloves. The grip of nitrile gloves is not as firm as latex gloves, and they are very difficult to switch during procedures or from one procedure to another one. So for most of the non-bleeding procedure, as an alternative, I had to start working also with bare hands. When I got the MPXX CleanTex latex gloves, I started by using them very cautiously. But no skin problem developed, and increasingly I used them throughout the day, changing them frequently from patient to patient without having any problem. Compared to nitrile gloves, I had the firm grip that you could expect from any kind of latex glove. To this day, we can say that the latex gloves have been adopted by everybody in the office and that they have not been disturbing from a health standpoint, which is of course absolutely paramount here.
MPXX is a breakthrough in allergy technology and offers the world a much needed solution to the impending new glove allergy and quality crisis. MPXX, proven technology through innovation.